1998 Australian $2 coin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How often do you clear out your wallet or check that piggy bank and see one of these? The trusty Australian $2 coin. Most of the time, they're just $2. But today, we're hunting for a date that punches way above its weight. We're talking about the 1998 Australian $2 coin. Why is this specific year a magnet for collectors? Simple. It's one of the lowest circulating mintage dates for the standard Aboriginal elder design. This isn't just a $2 coin, it's a quiet key date, and in top condition, its value is spiking. I'm going to tell you the mintage figure that makes collectors sweat, reveal a specific, multi-$1,000 era coin linked to this year, and share the latest auction result for a top-graded 1998 $2 coin. Get ready to check your change. The Australian $2 coin was introduced in 1988, replacing the $2 note due to the note's short lifespan and circulation. It's made of an aluminium bronze alloy, giving it that distinctive gold/yellow color. The obverse throughout its initial life, the $2 coin featured the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. The 1998 coin carries the third portrait, sculpted by Raphael Maclauff. The Queen wears the royal diadem, and the inscription Elizabeth II Australia 1998 encircles the portrait. The reverse. This is where the coin tells a distinctly Australian story. Designed by the reverse features an archetype of an Aboriginal elder. The design was inspired by an artwork featuring Gwoya Jungarai, also known as 1 Pound Jimmy. The design includes the Southern Cross constellation above the elder. The indigenous grass trees flank the elder. The denomination, $2, is prominently displayed. It's a visually stunning coin, connecting Australia's past and present, but what makes the 1998 version special is purely about supply and demand. Most people assume a 26-year-old coin is common. But let's look at the numbers released by the Royal Australian Mint. The average circulating mintage for the standard $2 coin is often over 20 million. The first year, 1988, saw an enormous mintage of over 160 million. Now, look at 1998. 1998 circulating mintage, 8,719,000 coins. That figure is small. In fact, the 1998 $2 coin has one of the lowest mintages of the standard Aboriginal elder design without a commemorative element since the coin's introduction. Impact on value. While a circulated 1998 $2 coin is still worth face value in your change, its low mintage means it's significantly harder to find than its surrounding years. For collectors attempting to complete a full set of the standard design, this coin becomes a key hurdle. A high-grade example, or one straight out of an uncirculated mint set, commands a serious premium. Your circulating mintage status value grade, you are looking at values in the $25 to $40 Australian dollars range, instantly making it one of the most valuable standard $2 coins to pull from circulation. Now, if you want to find a truly high-value 1998 coin, you need to look for a specific, incredibly rare error. This error stems from the Royal Australian Mint's baby mint sets of 1998, which featured the koala baby design. Some of the coins included in these sets were struck on the wrong planchets, or with the wrong dies, leading to a phenomenal error known as the 1998 RDM missing $2 coin. What is RDM? It refers to the Raphael David Maclauff initials, which can sometimes be faintly seen on the Queen's bust. The error, due to a die fill or weakness, the letter T in Australia on the obverse is either completely missing or severely weak. This error is extremely rare and often appears in the special, low mintage uncirculated and proofed coins included in official mint packaging. The coins circulating in your change are usually the standard 8.7 million, but always check any 1998 coin for imperfections. A verified example of the missing T error is a serious, 5-figure collector piece. Numismatics isn't about book value, it's about what people are willing to pay. Let's look at some recent auction results that confirm the 1998 $2 coin status. Standard circulation coin value: a decent, average circulated 1998 $2 coin will sell on platforms like eBay for $2.50 to $4 AUD, a small premium over face value. An example described as A/UNC recently sold for around $18 AUD. Mint state value. While certified auction results can vary, uncirculated coins taken directly from original 1998 Royal Australian Mint sets typically sell in the $30 to $40 AUD range. This is the baseline value for a collector to fill that gap in their set. The big auction result. The rare error. The most sensational recent sale confirming the value of a key 1998 coin relates to the missing T error. While official, major auction house results are scarce due to the coin's rarity, a recent online collector listing for a 1998 RDM missing the letter T coin was listed for $8,250 AUD. This shows the incredible price disparity. A common circulated 1998 is $2.50, but a verified high-grade error variant of the same year can jump into the thousands. So, there you have it. The 1998 Australian $2 coin is a classic example of how a low mintage year creates a sleeper key date. While the standard coin in great condition is a solid win for collectors, the super rare error variant proves that the most valuable treasure is often hidden in plain sight. What's the best coin you've ever found in your change? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Australian coin hunting tips. I'll see you in the next video.